Today I am going to show bread pudding. This is very simple, we can do at home, and we can do for kids, and whenever the occasion time we can do and keep it in the fridge, and you can serve for your friends and any small get together. This will be very nice for kids and for everybody. We can do monthly ones also. The ingredients required are 2-3 bread slices, cut it into small cubes, and then milk chocolate grated for toppings, then chocolate syrup, milk made, and then fresh cream that I have made it at home. You can take every day after boiling milk. The top layer you can keep it 4-5 days in the freezer, and you can blend it in the small jar and keep it ready as it is a fresh cream. And then you require the sugar syrup. Now I am going to show one bread pudding. I am adding the chocolate syrup, some 2 to 3 spoons. Then I am adding the bread slices. I have added the bread. Then third one I am adding the sugar syrup. This is some 10 to 15 spoon sugar added with a cup of water. Make a thick consistency, and you can add some 2 to 3 spoons. Now I am going to add the condensed milk. 1 spoon. 1 more spoon. Third spoon. 3 spoons. Now I added the condensed milk. Next, 1 more layer of bread I am going to add in this. After the second layer of bread slices, we have to keep it inside. Just check it without any hole so that it will settle very nicely. Now I am going to add 2 to 3 spoons of sugar syrup second time. Now I am going to add the fresh cream.
It became dark and became
Fresh cream. Then chocolate syrup for toppings. You have to decorate like this. Decorate like this and fill with grated chocolate as toppings, and keep it in the refrigerator for half an hour in the freezer, and you can serve as chill as possible. If it is, you can have as it is also, it will be nice. Hope you all liked this video and enjoyed it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you like this video and more videos, subscribe my channel for more videos. If you want to watch my previous video, link is available in the description. Thank you.